Welcome class, how are you all? I hope you are at the best of your health. During this pandemic time, please be sure that you take care of yourself as well as of your family as the exams are approaching. Today we are going to touch yet another topic of tabular presentation, of organization of data, that is about the tabular presentation. Okay. Now what is a tabular presentation? From the heading itself we can understand that the data, when it is represented in the form of table or when it is presented in the form of a table, it is known as tabular presentation. Now what all are the components of a table? Usually whenever we make a simple table, we have a column and a row, isn't it? So let us go through the definition. A statistical table is a systematic organization of data in columns and rows. Today we are going to discuss about the components of table because the type of table we are going to discuss in this chapter is a bit different from what all you all have studied till now. So what are the components of the table? Table number, title, head note, stubs, caption, body or field, footnotes and source. Is that clear? So let us understand these points in detail with the help of a diagram. Now let us understand what are the essential points required for tabular presentation. First of all, whenever you are presenting data in the form of a table, you have to give the table number. Example 1, 2, 3 and so on. Suppose this is table number 10. So I will give here the number 10. Right? Next we have to give the title, that this table is what all about. This will be easier for the reader to comprehend what this table is all about if the title is given. The title should always be in bold letters. It should be clear, short and simple. Also it should give the reader the information about what this table is all about, that at one glance if he sees the title he will understand what this table is all about. Next we have head notes. This is given when we have to supplement the title with extra information. If you are presenting a data in a tabular form and you think that there is something lacking because the titles are always short and simple and you have to give extra information, so you can give it in the head notes. Then this is the table. Here we have the column. This is known as the stubs. This is known as row heading as to what it is all about. Stubs are the details which are given with regard to title. Like if I am talking about money, so whether it is in rupees, if it is in rupees, whether it is in lakhs or crores and so on. Then we have cells. What are the cells? These are the body of the table where you fill in all the data. So this is known as the cell or this is known as the body of the table. Next we have to give over here the caption. The caption is also in the form of you can say a subtitle which you give to represent or to make the reader understand or comprehend that what information is presented here under this caption, what is given over here. Next we have footnote. Footnote is also for the extra information to give to the reader. Suppose in the body of the table you have already filled the data and you want to make the reader understand a bit of extra information with regard to the body of the table, then you can present over here in 1 or 2 sentences, not more than that, about the footnote. Next we have source. That means from where or which year it was taken, or the source, that means the area of publication as well, from where you have collected the data, the source of the table and the tabular presentation, this has to be mentioned in the source. So I hope this is very clear to you all. First of all we give the table number, then the title. If anything has to be supplemented with the title, you give the head note. If anything is to be supplemented with the body of the table, then you give it in the footnote. Then the source comes, from where have you collected the data, in which year, etc. are the examples. Then you have the row heading, the stubs. Stubs are like if you are giving the heading, then you also have to mention what it is about. For example, if I am talking about money, whether it is in lakhs, US dollar or rupees and so on. Then we have the caption. It is the title or the subtitle you can say. With regard to the cells, you give the caption to the cells. Is that clear? So this is all about tabular presentation.